Hi everybody, today I'm going to do a autopsy on this residual current device or RCD. It's 25 amps and the residual current is 30 milliamps. Yes, and it's not working. That thing is stuck there on the 0 rating, so it doesn't work. It stands trasig on it, which is Swedish and means destroyed or not long works. It stands trasig and at the both sides, so it must be a very wrong thing with it. So I'm going to do a quick autopsy on it. I have already taken out the holder on both sides, and that's why it's a bit, yes, so it loose. So I take the top off like that. There are some mechanical things. Here's the thing, just goes so long and it stops. And that must be a solenoid inside that. That white thing in there is a current transformer, I think. So let's see what the inner thing is. I came out of Autopsy. Yes, that's the solenoid and there's the current transformer. I think that's some rectifier or tripler or something. Let's get longer inside it. Cut these wires. This is a rectifier, or just a rectifier, not anymore. That's a solenoid. I think that part is a bit badly damaged, because this will not move more than that. It stands there. So that's just 4 ship diodes, and can that little thing be a resistor or something? And this camera will not focus. It's a resistor. And that's a resistor which is connected to the test button, which is, I don't know where it is. I think the test button was connected to this spring, but I'm not sure. So that's the test button. Yes, it must be connected to that. Yes, and there inside it we have a current transformer. And that side is a contact. This is wired from current transformer, and if some current is more than 30 milliamps on one side, it will turn off the output. It's pretty thick wire inside that. 2 turns of wire around that current transformer. It's off with it. There are the contacts. Need better tools. Yes, that's the two contacts there, with a pretty big silver contact, I think. That's that part. And the rest of it is copper. So that silver will not oxidize at the first moment. Same with these two. It's not so much oxides on it. Looks pretty clean. But this is just China. No, it's not China. It's made in France. A better quality. But that's not so good quality. Will not move more of it. Yes, that's the contacts. Nice copper braid. The current transformer and output. Let's get off that current transformer. Oops. It's pretty damn hard. Oops, they're topped. Off with the contacts. Something like that. Yes, 2 turns. And there, oops, it came off. See if this one comes off. Yes, there it goes. So that's a connector and current transformer. So I think that port is on the load side and the other port is on the line side. Yes, that's everything in a RCD, or residual current device. It's pretty nice contacts. So thanks for watching.